Millions of drones are sold yearly. Yet, over 90% sit unused most of the time. Meanwhile, businesses and individuals need fast, cheap aerial data and remote inspections. Today, this means high costs, logistics, and field crews, even for simple tasks. A scalable platform connecting market needs with existing drone fleets is missing. CMV is the solution. We activate private drones, turning them into a decentralized, on-demand inspection network. A client orders a mission. A local, verified operator executes it in minutes. Drone regulations are now mature and favor commercial use. AI and automation enable large-scale mission coordination. Companies are shifting to remote ops. It's the perfect time to build an Uber for drones. The drone services and aerial data market exceeds $100 billion and grows yearly. Construction, energy, real estate, agri, insurance, public services all need instant aerial data. Dual use. The platform is an excellent intel gathering tool for agencies. We are building the first platform connecting drone owners, operators, and clients in one ecosystem. We seek investors to co-create the future of aerial data in this booming market. CMV, activating the world's drones.